This is the assembly video for the PHLster Pro Series holster. Step 1 is installing the Modmin. We're going to start off with a Modmin with the tall insert installed, and our first step is to add eyelets because Modmins always get eyelets. The Pro Series doesn't have any clip or anything else mounting on top of the Modmin, so we'll take our 1/2" screw post, and those will mount from the face down through the eyelets. Put your fingers over top, turn the holster over and line those up with the eyelet holes. Then we have two 5/8 oval head screws. Put that in, use your driver, and then put the second one in. That is your first assembly step, the installation of the Modmin. Then we move on to installing the soft loops. This assembly is the same as soft loop assembly on the floodlight holster. We have two 1/4" screw posts, two 1/8" rubber washers, two 3/8 number 5 head flat head screws, and two snap studs. So we'll take the screw posts, we're going to install them in the two outside top slots. So put a screw post through, press a washer over to capture it, just like that. Put the second screw post through, press another washer over to capture it like that. Then I like to put my screws into the studs first so that I can pick them up as a pair like that when I go to assemble the soft loop. Take a soft loop, we'll go on the top hole on the screw post, pick up our stud and screw, lay it over there, and then lightly snug it until you feel the rubber washer start to compress. Same thing with the other one. Top hole on the loop goes over the screw post. And tighten until you feel the washer start to compress. And then we do a function check on the snaps. Since they're pull the dot directional snaps, we put the bottom edge tab under and roll to the top to snap closed. Both of these closed cleanly and relatively easily. So that assembly is done.